Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to downtown Houston, Texas. Houston is the largest city in Texas and the fourth largest city in the United States. Downtown is the city's main business district and sits near Buffalo Bayou, which runs through the heart of the area. This part of Houston is home to major office towers, government buildings, hotels, and convention centers. You'll find the theater district here, which includes venues for ballet, opera, symphony, and live theater. Downtown Houston also connects to nearby neighborhoods through freeways, light rail, and pedestrian tunnels. The city is known for its strong ties to the energy industry, aerospace, shipping, and medical research.
Thank you very much.
Houston was founded in 1836 and named after Sam Houston, a key figure in Texas history. Today, downtown continues to grow with new development, housing, and public spaces. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Houston, Texas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!